In today's world, lead batteries are everywhere, whether in industrial applications such as telecom, forklift operations, UPS systems, and more. And with the dramatic rise in hybrid and fully electric vehicles, batteries have to do more than they ever have before. From increasing demands with CO2 regulation and battery life, to the increased performance requirements with start-stop batteries and the other demands for the vehicles of the future, this is where advanced lead batteries come in. Inside the case are a series of positive and negative battery plates, accompanying grids, and separators to keep the positive and negative apart. The world-class R&D team at Hollingsworth Vose has come up with an entirely new way of making lead battery electrodes that replaces lead grids with glass-based materials, and it has demonstrated benefits of 3 times better charge acceptance, possible increase in battery life, and better high-temperature performance. We call it GEM, a glass-based electrode material. Using HMV's GEM technology with accurate pore size control makes it a very innovative method for making the negative electrodes using glass fiber-based fabric instead of lead grid. This provides a breakthrough in dynamic charge acceptance, enabling better start-stop batteries. GEM has shown great battery performance that can increase battery duty cycle with high dynamic charge acceptance and very low water loss. With GEM plates being as stiff and robust as traditional plates, the technology has been designed to work with all downstream automation equipment used for battery manufacturing. Additionally, everything can be controlled, from stiffness to pore size. For those familiar with AGM, GEM uses similar types of material, but is specially made for embedding and holding negative active mass. H&V is an industry leader for AGM separator technology and is experienced in the design and manufacturing of GEM. The most stringent quality controls are in place to ensure GEM will work for your application. Hollingsworth Vose, creating a cleaner world.